Hi, welcome back to Pips, January 3rd, 26, and today it was a long one, but it's cool though. Get it? Because it's supposed cool on the thing? Okay. Well, anyway, I decided to go for the C first. I go for the fur, so I can use the sixes, go for the 6-1, and then notice that there's no 6-0, so I tried to do a different thing with the fur 0, but I also checking that doesn't add up or anything, so I go for the 0-5, the 5 and the 6-1, so that adds up. And I decided to go on the bottom left. Starting off, I go with the 6-3, and then I go for the first 0 right there. And then I try and go for the 2-3, realizing that this isn't gonna add up because I don't have two twos, a 2-2. So I try and approach differently with the 6-2, and then I rotated, giving me the 3-2, and then the 3-1. Not noticing that that didn't add up for the 2 down there. I decided to go for the top right though, until I noticed that that's not adding up right now, and then I try a different approach, getting rid of everything. I go for the whatchamacallit. I take off everything. I go for the fur, trying to see if I can use the ones. Maybe could help. Decided not to. Just shift it up. But that 10 blue was definitely a tricky one because I didn't know what I needed in that 3 blue for the 10. Because, like, I go for the 7 right here, thinking maybe that's right. The 3, 6, and 1, going around that one. And then I tried going down here because everything added up right there for a bit. And I think about it, and it's like, is it right though? So there was a lot of me just like thinking about how I wanted to purchase. I decided to go for the 2 fur this time. So I used the 6-2 up there, as you'll see in a second. Give me a second, I was still looking at the screen. Moved it, put it up there. Go for this 2 fur. And I decided that one. And then that's where I make a mistake. I put the 001. Not realizing that I made that mistake. It takes me an embarrassing long time to realize that I made that mistake. Right here. And then I just look at the screen for a while. Like, I even removed that thinking, what am I missing? Something not adding up. The fact that I did not notice that I used the 0-1 instead of the two ones was embarrassing, but is what it is. It took like a minute to correct. Anyway, 9:52.